In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome extensions not working. So first thing you will do is you will go to Chrome, and then over here under the three dots, you want to click here and then click history. So let's go to settings, and then you'll go to privacy and security. So here click delete browsing data, and then select all time, make sure cache is selected, and then click delete data. Once you delete it, check if it works. If it doesn't, then go to task manager, and over here what you'll do is just disable, you'll exit Chrome if you see it. So right click on it and task, and then if you see it anywhere, just end task. Go to details, and if you see Chrome here, right click on it and then click end process tree. And once you're done, try to relaunch Chrome and see if it works. So the last thing I suggest is try to restart your computer, and hopefully this should work.